The old county jail in downtown Billings once housed a steady stream of colorful visitors, cattle rustlers, outlaws, and local hooligans. Today, this historic building on North 27th Street is home to colors from completely different sources. The Yellowstone Art Museum exists in the place that began as the county jail. Instead of the wall scrawls of former convicts, you'll now find vivid displays from world-renowned artists and artisans. These treasures grace the walls of what is today considered one of the finest contemporary art museums in the Northern Rockies. The Yellowstone Art Museum houses a permanent collection comprised of more than 1,900 pieces and hosts visiting collections of international caliber year-round. The permanent collection spans a broad spectrum of periods, styles, and techniques from an equally diverse array of creative minds. The Montana Gallery is home to some of the most dynamic and influential artists currently working in the West. Educational opportunities abound for all ages and levels of learning through classes taught by artists, teachers, and curators encompassing a wide range of subject matter. Come and discover the fascinating and unique styles of art and sculpture at the permanent and visiting exhibitions of the Yellowstone Art Museum on North 27th Street in downtown Billings.